Welcome back, traders. Happy to have you here today. In this short video, I'll show you my 100 times back-tested result in a roll on the Euro USD based on the RedK auto-stepping ladder trader trading strategy for day trading on the 15 minutes time frame. How can we apply the RedK auto-stepping ladder trader to generate a buy setup in the market? There are 3 ways to buy with the RedK auto-stepping ladder trader in the market. The first buy entry option is to ensure a bullish candlestick to close above the blue color, as we can see here. And then buy the strong bullish candlestick above this blue line if it occurred in a strong bullish trend. The second buy option is to patiently wait for a bearish pullback to the blue line, as we can see here. Then, next is to execute a buy entry if a bullish price action candlestick is formed. While the third buy option is to study the wave swings formed by the lower PCT envelopes. We then initiate a buy setup once a bullish candlestick confirmed the new higher-low swings formed by the lower PCT envelopes. To sell with the RedK auto-stepping ladder trader, we simply need to reverse the RedK auto-stepping ladder trader buying entry strategy. The first sell entry option is to ensure a bearish candlestick to close below the yellow color, as we can see here, and then sell the strong bearish candlestick below this yellow line if it occurred in a strong bearish trend. The second sell option is to patiently wait for a bullish pullback to the yellow line, as we can see here. Then, next is to execute a sell entry if a bearish price action candlestick is formed. While the third buy option is to study the wave swings formed by the upper PCT envelopes. We then initiate a sell setup once a bearish candlestick confirmed the new lower high swings formed by the upper PCT envelopes. It's time we proceed to my 100 times back-tested trade result based on the RedK auto-stepping ladder trader trading concept on the 15-minute time frame of the Euro US dollars. Here are my 100 times back-tested trading results in a roll based on the RedK auto-stepping ladder trader trading concept on the 15-minute time frame of the Euro US dollars. I implemented the 1 to 1.5 ratio. That was on 100 trades for 5 days. I got 50 wins and 50 losses. Most wins in a row is 5. Most losses in a row is 5. Gain on the account is 25%. Here's a fair trading record. You can see this is a simple trading indicator that beginners can utilize to build a consistent winning trading strategy in the market. In order to have a high winning probability with the RedK auto-stepping ladder trader, traders need to pair the RedK auto-stepping ladder trader trade setup with powerful price action candlesticks in accordance to the direction of the market trend.